Everybody, thank you for coming out for this very exciting day where we get to really launch what really feels like it's already launched, the construction of the new Rockwell Elementary.
This is very exciting. This is a part of the next step of making this more real.
First, thank all you voters for approving the 2022 Building Excellence Construction Levy.
We started a process many years ago to update all of our facilities.
Come up and grab a shovel.
Anytime we rebuild a school, we rebuild and enlarge to make sure there's additional capacity for our communities to grow, for us to make sure that we have enough space for all of our students.
3.
So right now we have 420 students, and the new school will have capacity for just over 650.
Same thing, we're gonna flick some dirt. Are you guys ready?
Our educational specification calls for specific elements that our aging facilities just don't have.
2, 3.
And so anytime we rebuild our schools, we update those with the modern criteria and expectations for our school.
We'll build the building out here in the back field. The construction will really begin this summer and will continue throughout next school year. In the fall of 2026, the new building will open and the old building will be demolished.
Anytime we rebuild a school, we make sure it's in alignment with our new standards. Daylighting, appropriate space for students, shared instructional space, all of the new components that we want to make sure add to the value of our students' education.
The new Rockwell Elementary School will have a geothermal heat pump system. This makes heating and cooling very efficient. We will also have solar panels.
Parents are very excited. We've been talking about all year. We have pictures and posters of, renderings of the new building, and they're constantly asking questions. And when we typically have family engagement events and different things, it's one of the things they want to ask about and talk about. So there's a lot of excitement around it. We're ready. We're excited.